How to send money from Pioneer to a different bank. Now, first things first is, of course, you'll have to register or create an account with Pioneer. Now, take note that there are some country or region that Pioneer do not operate. For example, Philippines. So, based on my experience, when I was outside the country, I downloaded Payoneer, and this is going to be the steps on how you'll be sending it to another bank. So again, once you log into your account, all you have to do is to select the bank accounts from the main menu. Now, select bank accounts for withdrawal or recipient bank accounts. Then afterwards, select the recipient's accounts tabs and then click on add bank account. Now, and that way, that's the time or that's the certain field in which you will be trying to enter the specific bank account number for a certain bank that you'll be sending money to. And then just follow on the screen instructions to add bank account details, and then afterwards review the details and submit the withdrawal. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can send money from Payoneer to a different bank account.